You might be the best driver on the road, but unfortunately, dents happen from big to small. Once in a while, you'll find them on your car. I'm Kanan, and today on the Way YouTube channel, I'm going to show you a few ways you can fix small dents from your car. Your first option is going to be to use a plunger. Now you can think of these as a sink plunger rather than a toilet plunger. So you're looking for one with a rubber end, not the plastic. Now with these, you're going to dip the clean plunger in water. You're going to coat the surface of the body with water, and then you're going to place this plunger over the dent, give it a good push, get the air out and suck it, and then pop it. Make sure your plunger head is larger than the dent you're going to use, and this can be done with metal or plastic. So option 2 is going to be to use a hairdryer or a heat gun. We'll apply light temperature around it to make it warm, not overly hot so you don't burn the paint, and then we'll use a can of compressed air just to cool it off. Now while it's warm, you'll want to try and push it out from the back side, so if you can get to the back, push it out, or if you need to take the bumper off to be able to do that prior to heating it up. A third option is to use boiling water. Now this is going to work best on plastic, so a plastic bumper or a plastic body side. You're going to take your boiling water, you're going to pour it over the edge, make sure it gets nice and hot, and then we're going to reach from the back side to push the bumper or the body side out. Now again, if you can't do this from inside the car, take the bumper off the car, then do it and push it out with your hand. Most times it'll pop right back out because boiling water is going to be very hot. Just be sure you don't burn yourself. Another way to do it is to use a combination of a hairdryer or a heat gun to heat the surface, and then cold water. So again, previously you can use boiling water to get it warm, push it out, help it with cold water, or you can use a hairdryer and heat just to heat it up, push it out, and then use cool water to cool it off. And the last way you can do it to take out a small dent off your car is to use a small dent repair kit. Now a lot of times these involve either some suction cups that will go on either side or into the dent itself. Use a plunger to help pull it out, and you can find these at most automotive stores or your local online retailers. Now one thing to keep in mind is that all dents cannot be repaired by any of these methods. Sometimes they're just too bad to do, and you might need to take it into an actual body shop or a local repair facility that specializes paintless dent repair. Now if you like these DIY tips here on the Way YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know exactly when we release out new videos. Follow us on Instagram at way.com_ and on TikTok at way.com. Because at Way, it's all about cars. We'll see you next time.